But that really is a 69 Z28 Camaro. Okay, 69 Sport Fury, or I'm sorry, it's a Fury 3 convertible. Sitting next to Pond. 69 Camaro RS. Really rough. Next to a Formula Firebird. Man, I don't know. There used to be a Z28 here that we haven't been able to find because we did an initial walkthrough. Oh, I just stepped into the puddle. Here's a 67 Camaro convertible. Maybe this is it. Oh, I think this is the Z28. Ooh. I'm gonna walk around the other side. Here's a 72 Mach 1. And a 72 Cuda 340 car on top of a Duster. And I got an Aspen wagon. All right, I think we might be in good shape if that's the Z. We'll be able to tell when we go around because it still had stripe and you could see the emblem on the back. Oh, there's the other. That might be a Buick. But let's see. Here's the Cuda. There's the Mach. Oh, wow. Whoa, okay. There's that Camaro convertible, and there is. It is. That's the other. There's like 3 69 Z28 Camaros in here, and that's it. We've been looking for that for the last few hours. And there's the RS and the Formula. But yep, you can't see it. I'll show you the picture in the video, but that really is a 69 Z28 Camaro. That's a 69 RS Camaro. And this is just the beginning. I guess people like Camaros. RS. That's pretty cool. That's really sad. Literally squished. All right, I didn't even realize this until I came around this side. That's a Redbird. There used to be a Skybird or the Bluebird here. He said it might have been crushed. We haven't been able to find it yet. But that is a real true Redbird. And the Redbirds were the rarest, from what I've been told. And this one, the red interior with the gold steering wheel like accents and all that. And T-tops. That's pretty cool. I did not notice that either time I was here. But, oh, that's so sad. The Z got completely crushed. Oh. Like I said, I'll show you the picture when I get back of the Z28 emblem where you could see where it was. And now we're going to go walk onto that side.
Back to how it evolved, you know, obviously they dropped the trees, dropped them on a lot of cars. There was a lot of cars that just...
Oh, really?
You know, and we're talking like 38 Chevy Roadmasters or...
Yeah, but still,
you know,
that's unfortunate.
It was a lot of old 50s, 40s, 30s. And, but, you know, so as it's evolved today, you know, there's none of that, the old Ford Model A's or any of that stuff left out here. There's...
Well, you have some really
40s.
old, you have some old 30s stuff in the back right corner, I remember.
Yeah, there's some 36 stuff, and so there is still some.
But most of it's gone.
And with that being said, you know, as the yard evolved, you know, it was Dad working and being where he was at Dow, it was swing shift, so you never knew. Mm-hmm. Well, you knew you're coming up for another rotation, but you could never hardly get any sleep because you changed from sleeping in the day to sleeping at night to sleeping early morning into the midday, and swing shift sucked.
Hey everyone, hope you enjoyed that video from my friend's junkyard or salvage yard, auto graveyard. And how crazy is that 69 Z28 Camaro? And when I was there 10 years ago, I knew about that one. I didn't realize what the code was, but I knew from you could see in the picture that it was a real 69 Z28 Camaro. And that's not the only one we found in the yard. There will be a blue one coming up in a future video that me and my friend Doug documented. Same thing, it's just about crushed. And then we think there was a third one. We couldn't remember. By the end of the day, we were getting a little punchy. So we weren't really able to, I don't think we documented that last one because we went through both of our pictures and video, and there's no pictures of the body tag with the correct X codes on it. We found there's a few SS Camaros that you'll see. There's a 69 SS 350, there's an SS 396 car, and some other odds and ends, but only the two that we know of absolutely, and then maybe a third. We'll see. There's a lot of stuff. And I think the next one has the GTO Judge in it, or two. I'm not quite sure, because I took a lot of videos on that trip. And let me know what you think. The last one didn't do so well on the Corvettes, which would really surprise me, because it's legitimately a row of first gen and second gen and third gen Corvettes stacked on top of each other, which I thought would be a big selling point, but what do I know? I'm legitimately right now about to get in my car and drive 5 hours to Fountain City, Wisconsin, to Elmer's Auto Graveyard. And they're doing tours tomorrow, one at, I think, 10 o'clock and then one at 1 o'clock, which too late from when this video posts. But I'll be there. I'm going to do like I did with this yard. I'm going to go through and document all the cool stuff. But they have a lot more, and it's later in the season, so I don't know how well it's going to turn out. But I'm going to be there for hours, and I'll see what I get, which I'll be posting live on social media, which hopefully you guys will see. But let me know what you think. Now, today was like the first really nice day, and of course I was getting ready, editing video early. I basically did nothing on the green car. I did a little bit of cleaning. I still haven't unpacked the van. It's only been a month since Jefferson. But this coming week, if the weather gets nice, I will be working on stuff. So let me know what you think. I still have a green car video in the works. Just need to figure out how to frame it. And yeah, so fun stuff. I'll talk to everyone soon. Stay safe.